This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to begin. Enable spatial video in Settings camera so the phone captures depth data alongside footage. Once done, check available storage and choose a maximum clip length because spatial files are large. Make sure to stabilize the phone. A tripod or gimbal gives more consistent depth maps. Then open camera, switch to spatial video mode, and frame your subject close enough for detail, but not too close to lose context. Press record when exposure and focus are locked. Now focus on execution. Move deliberately and keep your pans smooth because depth reconstruction needs consistent motion. Use side lighting or soft front light to preserve texture and depth. Harsh backlight will confuse depth sensors. Make sure subjects stay roughly between 1 and 5 meters from the lens for optimal depth fidelity. If you plan to color grade, enable higher quality capture options, but remember they increase file size. Once finished, stop recording and review the clip for jitter or depth artifact. Finish by editing in an app that understands spatial metadata. Photos and Final Cut retain parallax and depth-aware adjustments. When exporting, choose H.265 HEVC that preserves spatial metadata. This keeps depth for post-processing or sharing. Make sure to back up original files before heavy edits. If you see flattened footage or missing depth, first reboot the phone and toggle spatial video off and on. Then reshoot with better lighting and steadier movement. That solves most depth capture issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.